Hello, we had a delivery of a new car seat for a baby. So this is the Recaro Xenon 1 car seat from newborn up to 7 years old. So it's from 40 to 125 centimeters in height. So here you've got a lovely manual as well. So this comes in vibrant orange, but there are different colors available on the website. It is a lovely breathable memory foam fabric. So let me just give you a quick look. It gives you all the instructions of how to use the car seat because it's up to 7 years old. So you've got a newborn insert for a newborn baby, which I'll show you how to dismantle. But firstly, I want to show you that this is a 360 car seat. So it goes around this way and you can turn it around to put your baby in and out. And then also it goes facing forward. It goes facing forward as well. You can also recline it for an older baby. So there is a button here, which is for under 15 months and then over 15 months. So if you want to over 15 months, you can recline it up. You can recline it down for the newborn and then recline it up for the baby, for a child which is older, over 15 months. It comes with the car seat, so it gives you all the instruction of how to fix the ISOFIX into the car to make it nice and safe for the baby. Just to give you a little close-up, we've already mounted it in. It's got all the green lights in here and green light in here, which means it's safely plugged in into the ISOFIX so your baby can travel safely. Let me show you how the newborn insert comes out. So to unbuckle the seatbelt, you press the red button in here. Then you pull that button down here to pull the straps out a little bit, so it's easier to take the newborn insert out. So let me show you. This goes around here. This goes around here, and it's just as simple as that. So it has this lovely fabric in here. It has the head restraint, which is adjustable. You can adjust it to any kind of height you like. We're just going to keep it as it is because our baby isn't here yet, so we're not sure how to change it as yet. This is the child for over 15 months. So then you'll make sure that button is pushed this way. All the instructions are in the manual as well, so you'll know everything. To turn it around 360, you have to push that button under 15 months and then you push it back up and then you recline the chair. So you can hide the straps as well. This comes off. It comes off like this. And then you can hide it under there. Everything goes under. This goes inside of here. This comes off, that piece of material. Here are the straps. There's an anti-slip mat in here so it doesn't slide against the baby. It's a lovely material. So to put it back up, I'm going to have to turn it around because our baby is not here yet and it's definitely going to be a newborn. I'm going to set it to a newborn setting so we can then obviously recline it as well. I'm going to pop this back on. It's quite nice and easy to pop it back on. This way, goes like this, goes like this. Oh, one thing I'm going to show you as well is that you can use, for an older baby, older child, you can use the seat belt, which goes around here. There's like a green holding space for it, and then you've got another space for it. Goes in here, and then you just plug the seat belt in. Goes like this. Just take it out. Oops. I'll take it out. Right, so let's put the newborn insert back in, which is fairly easy as well. Goes like this. Make sure the head restraint is pushed back as well. gonna have a newborn, so it's different. There you go. Goes around here. This goes around here. Nice and secure. So to buckle the seat belt, you crisscross it, plug it, push it back in until you hear a click sound. Make sure your baby's legs are nice and secured, and then you press the button to secure the shoulders, make it a bit tighter. Obviously there's no baby here, so I'm just going to make it as tight as possible. So that's all holds in together, and then turn around like this, 360 for a newborn stage. You'll have your mirror in here, which we haven't got yet at the moment, but that's coming soon.